We are on the very top floor. We're on the 6th floor. This is our kitchen. We've got a full fridge. There's a laundry room in here with complimentary detergent. The counter space in here is incredible. This is basically a full kitchen. There's a dishwasher. Oh my gosh. And the art's a little crazy, but hardwood paneling on the walls, very slick and awesome stone flooring. There's a table there. And there is a bathroom and bedroom in here that we're not using because we have another room in here. This looks out to where people walk and to the clubhouse, so we didn't want to use that. Here is one of the bathrooms. It's just a regular tub shower deal. Vanity, we've messed it up. It was pretty when we got here. And then here's the living space. I love these chairs. I want a chair like this. It's all very modern and clean. There's a little closet deal right there. There's John.
Hello.
And this looks out to the pool area. That's our patio, but we're not going to go out that way. I want to show you guys our room. Got the big king size bed in here. Cool lamps. Like I said, it was prettier when we got here. We messed it up. There's a little vanity right here in the open to get ready. There's a closet. I've got my dress in there. And another bathroom. This one has a walk-in shower. This is John's shower. I used the other one this morning. And now we're gonna walk through here. There's another flat screen in the bedroom. This is our patio. And we are on the very top floor. That is the pool. And there's also a huge just waterfront right here that goes all the way around the pool section. There's a fountain over there. And it's just gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. It smells like the ocean. And we're gonna go hang out in that pool today. That's what we will be doing most of the days, just hanging out in the pool. Love you guys.
That's what's happening. We're going to Disney Springs.
And why are we going?
To
turn right onto Darrell Carter Parkway.
That's why we're going. We are going to turn right onto Darrell Carter Parkway. That's our reason. According to GPS Siri over here.
It's very chill out here.
Oh,
my gosh, what?
It's the Oscar Mayer Wienermobile.
That's awesome.
What? That's amazing. That was awesome.
Awesome looking building.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Woo!
Woo!
Walt Disney World.
Continue on Hotel Plaza Boulevard for 1 mile.
That GPS, I'm telling you. Talk to every second it can.
Oh, it's so nice to see those signs.
Mm-hmm.
It's a cool building.
In 1,000 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
Thank you. Alright, I can get it from here.
Okay.
We're gonna go to the lime garage. What do you got there, babe?
I have a stitch. I have a little, what is it called? A little...
Stitch?
Like, what's the dancing that we do?
Like a luau stitch?
A luau stitch.
A hula stitch?
Little leg. Over there.
What's up, babe? Where are we headed now?
We're headed to get sunglasses for you, a backpack, and to find matching couple shirts.
Yeah!
You really want to wear some to Magic Kingdom tomorrow.
Yes, indeed.
Some that say Mr. and Mrs. We were going to get some on Etsy, but we ran out of time, so now we are last minute shopping before we actually hit the parks tomorrow.
That's right. Hey, we're back.
Yeah. Those schools came around that way.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think we came around that way last time.
We didn't. We went around the other way.
Yeah.
We came around the side over here.
Yeah, over there. Cool.
Yeah. This is T-Rex. This is where we ate last time.
You like those?
Yeah.
First pair you put on.
That's right.
Nice.
Oh, dude, what? Look.
Oh, they fold. Oh, that's cool. That's also very weird.
Okay. Yeah, look.
Nice.
Spin the line.
Wait, how can we do this one?
It's this guy, right?
I think so.
That's it?
Yep.
That's awesome.